Good morning. Hope you had a great weekend. Wanted to go over the assignments for this upcoming week and also let you know that I'm hearing of a professional development on October 1st or October 2nd, synchronous learning. I'm still learning more about that, but it's something you want to keep in mind. So here I have the assignment description, and you can find this in the agenda folder. We're now in the second month of September. And if you scroll down, you will see the assignment description right here. Okay, so for this week, the students are continuing to work on assignments that they worked on last week. They will begin with a pre-check-in, which I will look at. That is going to help me to group the students. And here is a draft of the pre-check-in, and I'm asking about their progress on the My Bruins Pride slideshow. And then that's how I will group students. If there's certain students that you want to work with, be sure to let me know. You can text me or send me a message in Zoom. I'm also asking if the students completed the personality assessment, which looks like this. Are you a grape, orange, banana, or melon? They add their scores. So a 1 means that they don't highly relate to the characteristic, and a 4 would be that they highly or strongly relate. And then here it describes the different fruit personality types. And that can be found in the second month, week 2 folder right here. After the students complete the pre-check-in, they check for missing assignments. And then we're going to do a capitalization worksheet, which is going to look like this. This is a form, and a proper noun is a specific name for a particular person, place, or thing. Proper nouns are always capitalized in English, no matter where they fall in a sentence, because they endow nouns with a specific name. They are also sometimes called proper nouns. But the students would include their dates for the day, their first and last name, grade level, class period, and then they are asked to type the correct capitalization errors in each sentence. So here's the first sentence. They type their response here. Second sentence, third sentence, fourth sentence. The students would then print out their response and then send it in, or they would hit submit. I am asking the students to print out their responses and then upload them to their shared folder. When students are finished, they'll continue to work on their My Bruins Pride slideshow presentation. The independent activities are typically 15 minutes. I am allowing 5 minutes for the pre-check-in and then 10 minutes for the missing assignments. But typically it's going to be 15 minutes. And then the students will complete the fruit personality assessment, which I shared. On the assignment description, I have a video explaining the assignments for this week, and also a group work video, which I'm hoping to get into later on in the week, depending on how the students, how fast they're able to work. Here are the materials that students will be using, and this is copy pasted on Canvas. And then here are the Padlets. Some students have started to respond to these Padlets already. So for example, what's your fruit personality type? And you'll see that students are starting to respond. The other Padlet is the Great Discovery, which has 11 questions, and students are also starting to respond. Students will be discussing this and taking turns asking the question, but I want to make sure that students have gotten further along in their My Bruins Pride, and also about the author Sean Covey. 7 Habits of Highly Effective Teens. Here are all of the slideshows by class period if you wanted to view those. And the slideshows look like this. Once students finish, they will complete the day 1 exit ticket, which will look like this. And this is where I'm asking you to check to see who turned it in and who did not, so I can follow up with them. All right, thank you so much for your time. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.